Kaylin pored over the schematics of the new wing, her eyes tracing the lines of air ducts and electrical wiring as if searching for hidden patterns. The hospital's engineering team had deemed it state-of-the-art, but Kaylin sensed anomalies in its design, subtle deviations from standard procedures that hinted at a deeper intent. Her supervisor, Dr. Savadharan, poked her head into the cramped office. "Kaylin, we need you to inspect the new ventilation system before tomorrow's installation." As she followed Savadharan through the hospital's corridors, Kaylin noticed the other staff members moving with an almost mechanical precision. They checked their clipboards and nodded at one another in perfect synchrony, as if performing a well-rehearsed routine. The air in the maintenance room was thick with the smell of disinfectant and ozone. The ventilation system hummed, its components clicking into place like a puzzle solved long ago. Kaylin's eyes landed on a small label attached to one of the ducts, T-delta P 0.15 kilopascals. She had seen similar labels elsewhere in the hospital but couldn't recall their purpose. Savadharan handed her a clipboard with checklists and diagrams. "Make sure everything is functioning within spec, Kaylin." Kaylin's gaze wandered to the corners of the room, where rows of identical gray cabinets stood like sentinels. The labels on those cabinets read Logistics 1 through 5, cryptic designations that didn't seem to correspond with any known hospital function. As she began to inspect the ventilation system, Kaylin felt a creeping sense of unease. It wasn't just the anomalies in the schematics or the synchronized movements of her colleagues, it was something more fundamental, as if the very fabric of the hospital's operations had been subtly rearranged to prioritize efficiency over humanity. With each passing minute, Kaylin's perceptions shifted, and she found herself adopting a detached observer's perspective. She watched herself move through the inspection with precision, checking boxes on her clipboard without truly understanding what they meant. Savadharan returned, her expression unreadable behind a mask of concern. "Kaylin, have you finished reviewing the system?" Kaylin's gaze snapped back to reality as she realized she had been mechanically reciting checklist items for several minutes. She hesitated, unsure whether to respond with a simple confirmation or explore the anomalies further. The ventilation system continued to hum in the background, its components clicking away like a well-oiled machine, one that seemed determined to erase any hint of individuality from Kaylin's perception of reality itself.